Welcome to Infinite English. Verbs.
Sweep.
She sweeps the floor every morning.
Sweep.
She sweeps the floor every morning. Mop. He mops the floor after dinner. Mop. He mops the floor after dinner. Vacuum. I vacuum the carpet twice a week. Vacuum. I vacuum the carpet twice a week. Dust. She dusts the shelves with a feather duster. Dust. She dusts the shelves with a feather duster.
Scrub.
He scrubs the bathtub with a brush.
Scrub.
He scrubs the bathtub with a brush. Wash. She washes the dishes after lunch. Wash. She washes the dishes after lunch. Rinse. He rinses the cups under the tap. Rinse. He rinses the cups under the tap. Wipe. She wipes the table after breakfast. Wipe. She wipes the table after breakfast.
Polish.
She polishes the mirror until it shines.
Polish.
She polishes the mirror until it shines. Disinfect. He disinfects the kitchen counter every day. Disinfect. He disinfects the kitchen counter every day. Chop. She chops the carrots for the soup. Chop. She chops the carrots for the soup.
Peel.
He peels the orange before eating it.
Peel.
He peels the orange before eating it. Whisk. He whisks the cake batter in a bowl. Whisk. He whisks the cake batter in a bowl. Stir. She stirs the soup with a wooden spoon. Stir. She stirs the soup with a wooden spoon. Simmer. Let the sauce simmer for 10 minutes. Simmer. Let the sauce simmer for 10 minutes. Roast. We roast the chicken in the oven. Roast. We roast the chicken in the oven.
Grill.
He grills the beef skewers on the barbecue.
Grill.
He grills the beef skewers on the barbecue. Steam. She steams the broccoli until it is soft. Steam. She steams the broccoli until it is soft. Mash. They mash the potatoes with butter and milk. Mash. They mash the potatoes with butter and milk. Pour. She pours the juice into a glass. Pour. She pours the juice into a glass. Please subscribe for more to enhance your English.